In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot a process with Lucidchart. This is a quick guide that should take you about 5 minutes to complete. Let's jump right in. To start, we need to head over to the Lucidchart website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Lucidchart URL, or simply search for Lucidchart in your search engine and click on the link to access their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Give that a click. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. Input the email you've registered with Lucidchart into the appropriate field. Once you've done that, click Next. After you've moved past the email entry, you'll reach the password screen. Enter your password here. Always make sure your password is kept safe and private. Lucidchart will now give you the option to log in. Click on this and you'll be sent straight into your Lucidchart account. Welcome to your Lucidchart homepage. On the homepage, you'll notice a section where you can start creating new documents or access recent ones. Our next step here is to click on New. This allows you to start a fresh project. After clicking New, you'll see an option to start with Lucidchart. It's time to click on Lucidchart. Next, let's talk templates. Lucidchart has a variety of templates that you can use to get started quickly. Locate and click Create from Template. You will then be presented with various templates to choose from. Depending on your project needs, you can either scroll through these options or type in a specific chart type in the search bar if you already have one in mind. Once you've settled on a template, click it to get a detailed overview. Does it suit your needs? If so, proceed by clicking the Use button. This action might open another prompt asking you to confirm your choice by selecting Use Template. Go ahead and click on that as well. We've now created a fresh chart, but before diving into editing, it's a good idea to give it a name. This helps with organization and ensures you can find your document easily in the future. Type in a name that best describes the process or concept your chart will represent. Lastly, with your new chart opened, you have full control to customize it as much or as little as needed. You can edit shapes, text, colors, and connections to represent your processes accurately. Remember, the more precise your chart, the more useful it will be in visualizing your intended process. And just like that, we've plotted a process using Lucidchart. Hopefully this guide has demystified the process for you and will help you create clear and effective charts going forward. Thanks for watching.